Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm introducing blouse designs. A blouse is an essential and versatile piece of women clothing that beautifully blends elegance, comfort, and style, designed to suit various body types and occasions. Blouses come in a wide range of cuts, fabric, and design, making them perfect for both traditional and modern outfits. Blouses are crafted from premium fabrics such as silk, chiffon, georgette, cotton, satin, organza, and crepe, ensuring a graceful drape and comfortable wear. Soft cotton blouses are ideal for daily use, while silk and satin blouses add luxurious touch suitable for formal events and festive occasions. The design elements of blouses vary widely. Some feature round V-neck, boat neck, and square sweatheart or collared neck. Necklines enhances the overall look. The outfit sleeves may range from sleeveless and cape. Sleeves may range from elbow length, full length, bell sleeves, or puff sleeves, allowing women to choose according to their preference and seasons. Modern blouses are include embroidery, lace work, sequins, spinner work, bead detailing, pleats, buttons, or knot styles, adding richness and sophistication. Minimalistic blouses with clean cuts are perfect for office wear, while heavily embellishment blouses pair beautifully with skirts, lehengas, saris, or high-waisted pants for weddings and parties. Blouses are available in fitted, semi-fitted, peplum, logline, and wrap, and crop styles and western fashion. Neutral shades like being white, black, and pastel tones create timeless appeal. Wears bold color and prints make a strong fashion statement. Overall, a well-designed blouse enhances the entire outfit, offering a balance and elegantly femininity and modern style, making it must-have wardrobe essential for every woman. Extending long, stylish women blouses. Women blouses are an timeless fashion essential that reflects their personality and evolving style trends. Designed to complement both traditional and contemporary outfit, blouses offers endless versatility, making them suitable for everyday wear, office setting, festive gatherings, and formal occasions. Blouses are tailored using high-quality fabrics such as pure silk, soft cotton, chiffon, georgette, satin, velvet, linen, and organza. Each fabric adding its own charm and texture. Lightweight materials like chiffon, georgette provide a flowy, elegant silhouette, while structured fabric like silk and velvet give a rich and luxurious appearance. The beauty of a blouse lies in its fine detailing and craftsmanship. Many blouses are adorned with delicate embroidery, sari work, thread work, borders, pearl embellishments, mirror accents, sequins, or handcrafted buttons, creating a refined and polished look. Simple blouses with subtle textures are ideal for minimal styling, whereas heavily designed blouses make a bold statement for weddings and festive events. Blouse features a wide variety of neck designs, including round neck, deep V neck, high neck, halter neck, boat neck, square neck, sweatheart neckline, and shirt style collars. Each neckline enhances the various overall appearance. They add unique and the outfit sleeves range from sleeveless, short sleeves, elbow length, full sleeves, flared sleeves, bell sleeves, and bespoke sleeves and puff sleeves, offering options for every season and personal style. Modern fashion has introduced long line blouses, peplum blouses, wrap style blouses, asymmetrical blouses, front open blouses, and blouses tops, which pair beautifully with skirts, lehengas, saris, plazos, pants, jeans, and trousers. These contemporary design and traditions with modern elegance, making blouse perfect choice for fusion wear. Colors plays an important role in blouse styling. Soft petals, earthy neutrals, dual tones, and classic black or white shade provide a sophistication appeal, while vibrant hues, floral prints, geometric patterns, and contrast piping and fashionable edges. Overall, beautifully designed blouses enhance confidence and femininity, adding charm and sophistication to any outfit, whether style casual or dressed up. For grand occasion, blouses remain a symbol of elegance, versatility, and timeless fashion. Women blouses, along women blouses, is a symbol of refined taste and timeless elegance, designed to enhance femininity while offering comfort and versatility. With evolving fashion trends, blouses have transformed from simple wardrobe staples to statement defines an entire outfit. Blouses are thoroughly crafted using luxurious and breathable fabrics such as pure silk, satin, velvet, chiffon, georgette, organza, linen, and fine cotton. Each fabric provides a unique textures and fall. Silk and satin, land and glossy, regal finish, velvet add richness and depth, while chiffon and georgette create a soft, airy and graceful flow. Attention to detail sets premium blouses apart. Designers incorporate intricate embroideries, ari and resham work, mirror embellishments, sequins, pearl essence, lace, pearls, and pleated textures are handcrafted motifs to elevate the overall aesthetic. Minimalistic design with clean tailoring appeal to modern taste, while ornate detailing suit weddings, festive celebration, cultural events, blouses, silhouettes are equally diverse, ranging from fitted and semi-fitted styles to logging, peplum wrap, asymmetrical cap, and style and layer design. These styles flatters different body shape and allow effortless pairing with skirts, lehengas, saris, plazos, pants, trousers, and even denim jeans for a chic fusion look. Necklines play a crucial role in blouse design. Proportion and popular options include high neck, boat neck, square neck, deep V neck, sweatheart, halter off shoulder, and collared neckline, each adding character and elegance. Sleeves styles such as bell sleeves, bishop sleeves, puff sleeves, flared cuts, and slit sleeves and cuffed sleeves further enhance the blouse sophistication. Color petals range from soft pastel and neutral tones, subtle elegance to rich jewelry shades to bold contrast for dramatic appeal. Prints like floral abstract patterns and traditional motifs add visual interest, making blouses suitable for both day and evening wear. In essence, a well-designed blouse is more than just clothing; it is a fashion statement that reflects confidence, grace, individuality, whether styled for casual wear or grand occasions. Blouses remain a timeless expression of modern femininity and classic charm. A woman blouse is a refined expression of elegance, craftsmanship, and contemporary fashion, designed to complement a wide range of silhouettes. Blouses serves as the foundation of both traditional and modern symbols, effortlessly enhancing women's overall appearance. Blouses are meticulously tailored using luxurious fabrics such as pure silk, cross silk, satin, velvet, organza, chiffon, georgette, linen, and premium cotton blend. These materials chosen not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for comfort, breathability, and graceful draping. Flowing fabric creates soft movement, while structured textiles provide a polished, sculpted look. Luxurious and blouses are distinguished by their astringent detailing, intricate handwork, embroidery, resham and zari work, pearl and bead embellishments, mirror essence, delicate lace innets, and scoped edges, and fine pleating add depth and sophistication. Every stitch reflects precision and craftsmanship, transforming the blouse into a statement piece. Modern blouses design features innovations such silhouettes such as long lines, blouses, peplum cuts, wrap styles, asymmetrical hems, crepe, overlays, and front open designs. These styles beautifully pair with skirts, lehengas, saris, wide leg trousers, plazos, and even contemporary denim, creating a seamlessly fusion of tradition and modernity. Necklines are thoughtfully designed to flatter, elevate the look, including high necks, square necks, V-neck, and both designs and tailored shirt collars, sleeve variations such as dramatic bell sleeves, bishop sleeves, slit sleeves, puffed shoulder sleeves, full sleeves, and embroidered cuff. And elegance are individuality. Color petals range from soft petals and nude naturals and ivory tones for understanding luxurious rich tones, huge metallic shades and bold contrast for grand occasions, subtle textures, tonal embroidery, and tasteful patterns further enhance the blouse visual appeal. Ultimately, a blouse embodies confidence, grace, and timeless femininity. Whether styled for an intimate gathering or a lavish celebration, it remains an essential fashion piece that elevates any outfit with sophistication and charm. Beautiful blouses are perfect, elegant craftsmanship and timeless style designed to enhance the natural grace of a woman, and a well-made blouse transforms the entire outfit, whether it is paired with a sarees, lehengas, skirts, or even modern trousers. From traditional to contemporary designs, beautiful blouses reflect cultural creativity and personal fashion sense. These blouses are crafted using premium fabrics such as pure silk, soft cotton, chiffon, georgette, and velvet, organza, and satin, ensuring comfort along with luxury intricate hand embroidery, delicate zari work, creation threads, sequence beads and pearls, mirror work and stone embellishments, and richness and visual depth. Each detail is carefully placed to create a harmonious and refined look. The beauty of a blouse also lies in its design variations. Classic round necks, deep V-neck, boat neck, sweetheart cuts, halter styles, and high neck patterns offer versatility for different occasions. Sleeves range from sleeveless and cap sleeves, elbow length, full sleeves, sheer, net sleeves, and heavily embroidered cuffs, allowing every movement to choose according to the comfort and style. Color patterns and play a major role in enhancing beauty. Rich jewel tones like emerald green, royal blue, maroon, and wine execute regal charm, while soft pastel in body blush pink and big give a graceful and modern appeal. Bold contrast, subtle umbers effect, and handcrafted motif further elevate design. Beautiful blouses are not just garments; they are expression of individuality, perfect for wedding, festive celebration, formal gatherings, and special occasions. These blouses highlights femininity and confidence, whether minimal and elegant or heavily embellishments and grand. A beautiful blouses completes the look with sophistication, charm, and timeless allure. Beautiful blouses are a celebration of refined artistry, feminine elegance, and executive detailing. Each blouse is thoughtfully designed to enhance the silhouette while offering comfort, confidence, timeless charm. More than just a garment, a beautiful blouse become a focal point on an outfit, adding character and sophistication to both traditional and modern symbols. Crafted from luxurious fabrics such as pure silk, raw silk, brocade, velvet, organza, net, chiffon, and breathable cotton, these blouses feel as graceful as they look. The quality and fabric ensures perfectly draped, long-lasting wear, making them ideal for special occasions as well as elegant everyday stylish. What truly sets beautifully blouses apart is the craftsmanship, fine hand embroidery, rich zari work, Zardozi work, and decoration patterns, shimmering sequins, pearl and dana or mirror accent and stone embellishments are meticulously applied to create intricate designs from subtle and embellished with masterpiece. Each blouse tells a story of traditional blended with modern fashions. Design versatility in another highlight. Contemporary blouses feature styles, back design, tie-up details, tassels, buttons, and hooks, sheet panels, corset style fitting, and statement sleeves. Traditional styles showcase timeless cut with gaze necklines and classic sleeve patterns, whether it's bold, deep back design or modest high neck blouses. Every piece is tailored flat to body type and their presence. The color patterns range from rich royal hues to soft monochrome tones. Deep shades like ruby red, emerald green, navy blue, wine, and black convey grandeur and drama, while pastels in ivory, cabochon, gold, and peach, and powder blue offer soft sophistication appeal, meticulously accent and contrast peeping, further enhancing the visual richness. Beautiful blouses are crafted for perfect for weddings, festive celebration, parties, formal gatherings, and cultural events. They pair effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, plazos, and even fusion wear, making them a versatile wardrobe essential. Whether styled traditional or with the modern twist, these blouses elevate the overall look with elegance and confidence. In essence, a blouse is an expression, personality, heritage, and styles. It reflects attention to detail, love for craftsmanship, and a desire to stand out with grace. From understand elegance to grand contour, inspired with design, beautiful blouses remains timeless piece that never go out of fashion. Beautiful blouses represent the finest expression of elegance, heritage, and modern fashions. Artistry designed with precision and passion. Each blouse is crafted to enhance femininity while offering a flawless fit and luxurious comfort, whether styled with traditional attire to contemporary symbols. A beautiful blouse instantly elevates the overall look with grace and refinement. These blouses are crafted from carefully selected high-quality fabric such as pure silk, raw silk, Banarsi, brocade, velvet, organza, net, chiffon, georgette, satin, and premium cotton blend. The rich textures and breathable qualities of these materials ensure ease of wear while maintaining a polished contour level appearance. Expert tailoring guarantees structure, durability, and an elegant fall that complements the body natural line, and the artistry involved in beautiful blouses is truly exceptional. Silk and artisans Create intricate patterns using hand embroidery, zardozi, ari work, and resham threads, pearl sequence beads, kardana mirror work, and crystals and antique metallic accents. Every stitch reflects delicate and mastery, transforming the blouse into a wearable piece and art. Some design features subtle detailing for understand elegance, while other heavily embellishments to make and luxurious statements. Silhouette and cuts are thoughtfully designed to suit diverse styles and occasions. Elegant necklines such as bold scale, sweetheart, halter, deep V-neck, jewel, and high neck designs are versatility statement sleeves ranging from puffed and flat to sheer layered ruffled or embroidered full sleeves. Bring dramatic charm. Back designs include a deep back, keyhole skirt, corset, lacing, button trails, bow ties, tassels, and sheer panels, adding a touch of allure and sophistication. Color selection further enhance the beauty of these blouses. Regal shades like crimsons and wine, emeralds, sapphires, royal blue, and black create a powerful luxurious impact. Soft pastel, campaign golden body blush, mint, and powder blue evoke elegance and modern femininity contrast. Leaning metallic highlights and handcrafted borders add depth and refinement to every design. Blouses are ideal for bridal wear, wedding festivals, festive celebrations, and formal events and special occasions. Their versatility allow them to be styled with sarees, lehengas, skirts, shararas, plazos, and fusion attire outfits. A single well-designed blouses can be styled in multiple ways, making it a valuable and timeless wardrobe investment. In conclusion, beautiful blouses are modern fashion pieces. They are symbols of luxury, craftsmanship, and personal expression, designed to be precious and admired. They embody timeless elegance while adapting seamlessly to evolving fashion trends. A truly beautiful blouse leaves lasting impression, reflects confidence, sophistication, and practical taste. Upgrade your wardrobe every day with these beautifully designed women blouses that blend style, comfort, and versatility, crafted from soft, breathable, and skinny friendly fabric. This blouse ensures all day comfort, making it perfect for office, all day comfort, making wear casual outings, college, and daily use. The blouse features a modern yet timeless silhouette with fine stitching and a flattering fit that suits all body types. Its lightweight textures allow easy movement, while the elegant neckline and sleeve designs add a touch of sophistication. Pair it with effortlessly with pants, jeans, skirts, or trousers for a polished and graceful look. Ideal for work wear, meetings, casual gatherings, shoppings, and everywhere. This blouse is easy to style for both formal and semi-formal occasion. The fabric easy to maintain, wrinkle resistant and durable, ensuring long-lasting wear and color irritations even after multiple washes. Whether you prefer a classic trendy minimal look, this blouse is a must-have essential that enhance your confidence and style every time you wear it. This blouse is prefer classic, trendy, and this is adorned with the stylish woman blouse. Is designed those who love perfect balance of fusion and comfort, made with premium quality breathable fabric. It feels soft on the skin and keeps you comfortable throughout the day. The elegant and cut and neat finishing, it has smart, graceful appearance suitable for both professional and casual setting. The blouse is relaxed yet flattering fit, making it ideal for daily wear, office routines, and college life. Its versatile design allows easy pairing with formal trousers, jeans, midi skirts, or plazos. Whether you are handling your work or stepping out for casual meetups, this blouse adds effortless charm to your look. Modern office wear blouses for women. Refresh your work wear collection with this modern office styles blouses crafted for confidence and elegance. This smooth lightweight fabric ensures maximum comfort during long working hours, while the structured design enhances your professional look. Featuring a refined neckline styling, it's perfect for meetings, presentation, and formal events, yet comfortable enough for everyday wear. Easy to wash and maintain, this blouse is a reliable wardrobe staple for more modern women. Casual and chic daily wear blouses designed for everyday comfort. This casual woman blouse is go-to choice for effortlessly styling. The soft fabric allow proper airflow, making it ideal for summers wear all day. And its simple yet fashionable design ensures you look put together without extra effort. Less style it with the denim jeans for casual look or tuck into a shirt for more refined appearance. Perfect for shopping, travel, home, and casual outing. This blouse delivers comfort, durability, and timeless style. Elegant blouses for all occasions. These elegant blouses are thoughtfully crafted to suit multiple occasions, from office wear to casual gatherings. The fine quality fabric drapes beautifully, giving a smooth and flattering finish. With its subtle designs, details, and comfortable fit, it complements all body shapes. Easy to style and easy to maintain, this blouse is a must-have essential for women who value simplicity with elegance. Pair it with accessories to dress up or keep it minimal for classic everyday look. Premium comfort women blouses experience effortless elegance. With this premium women blouses designed for all day comfort and style, made from high quality breathable fabric. It feels smooth against the skin and offers lightweight airy feel. The carefully tailored fit enhance your natural silhouette without feeling tight or restrictive. Perfect for office wear, college, daily routines, and casual gatherings. This blouse pairs beautifully with trousers, jeans, skirts, or formal pants. Its timeless design ensures it never goes out of fashion, making it a reliable choice for everyday styling. Classic and versatile blouses for women. This classic women blouse are wardrobe essential that combines simplicity with sophistication, design with a neat neckline and well-finished sleeves. It delivers a polished look suitable for both formal and casual occasions. The fabric is soft, durable, and easy to maintain, allowing long-lasting wear without losing shape or color. Whether styled the work or relaxed day out, this blouse provides endless styling possibilities. Trendy yet elegant daily wear blouses add a touch of modern fashions to your daily outfits. With these trendy women blouses, this sleek design and smooth fabric offer stylish and yet comfortable fit, making it ideal for women who prefer fashionable everyday wear. It can be styled effortlessly with high waist pants, midi skirts, or denim jeans suitable for office, travel, shopping, and casual meetups. This blouse is designed to keep you look fresh and confident throughout the day. Soft fabric blouses for everyday style. Soft fabric blouses is thoroughly designed to maximum comfort and refined look. Its breathable material keeps you cool during warm days, while elegant cut ensures a flattering fit, perfect for home wear, office routines, college wear, and casual outing. This blouse blends comfort and with understated elegance. Pair it with minimal accessories for a clean, graceful appearance. Smart casual women blouses designed for women who love smart casual fashions. This blouse offers a perfect blend of comfort and modern style. The relaxed fit allow easy movement while the styling design adds charm to your outfit. Whether worn with the formal pants for work or jeans for casual look, this blouse adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle, easy to care and long lasting. It is an ideal choice for everyday wear. Graceful women blouses for daily and office wear. These graceful women blouses crafted offer a perfect balance of elegance and comfort, made from soft breathable fabric. It feels light on the skin and keeps you comfortable throughout the day. The smooth textures and fine stitching give it a clean, refined finish. Its versatile design make it suitable for office wear, college, daily errands, and casual outings. Pair it with tailored pants for a professional look or with jeans for a relaxed, stylish vibe. A timeless piece that fits effortlessly into every wardrobe. Elegant, minimal style blouses designed for women who love simple yet classy fashion. These minimalistic style blouses deliver effortlessly charm. The neat neckline and flatter fit enhance your overall look without extra detailing, making it ideal everyday wear. The breathable fabric ensures ease of movement, while the durable quality guarantees long-lasting use, perfect for work wear, meetings, and casual occasion. This blouse is easy to dress up or down. All-season comfortable women blouses. This all-season women blouses reliable choice for year-round styling, crafted with lightweight and comfortable material. It keeps you cool in summer and comfortable in mild weathers. The relaxed fits allow all-day wear without discomfort, making it suitable for office routines, home wear, travel, and casual gatherings. Style it with skirt, trousers, create a clean and elegant look. Modern casual blouses with soft finish add modern elegance to everyday outfits. With this casual woman blouses featuring a soft touch fabric and smooth finish, it offers comfortable feel and stylish appearance. Ideal for daily wear, shopping, casual meetings, and weekends outing. This blouse pair effortlessly with denim skirts and a must-have piece for women who value comfort and with styles. Professional look office wear blouses. This professional office wear blouse is tailored to enhance your Workday style, the structured yet comfortable design create a sharp, confident look suitable for formal setting. Its premium fabric resists wrinkles and maintains its shape, making it perfect for long working hours. Pair it with formal trousers or skirts, achieve a polished and powerful appearance. Timeless elegance women blouse is designed to bring timeless to your wardrobe. This women blouses combines comfort, simplicity, and modern style crafted from premium breathable fabric. It feels soft against the skin and provides smooth, flattering drape. Its clean and cut designs make it ideal for office wear, daily routines, and casual occasion. Pair it with tailored trousers for professional look or style it with jeans for an effortless everyday outfit. Durable and easy to maintain. This blouse is reliable, fashion essential, lightweight, everyday wear blouses. This lightweight women blouses for those who prefer easy breathable and clothing without compromising on style. The fabric proper alloy keeping you comfortable during long hours, featuring a relaxed yet polished silhouette. It works beautifully for college wear, workday shopping, and travels. It versatile style pair with skirts, pants, denim, making it an ideal choice for daily wear. Shopping at its smart fit women's blouses crafted from refined, confident look. This smart fit blouses offer sleek with the all-day comfort. The smooth fabric and precise tailoring enhance your appearance with allowing ease of movement suitable for formal office environments, meetings, semi-formal events, and these blouses can be styled with casually for relaxed outing. A versatile piece that adapts to your lifestyle. Comfort first casual outing blouses. This casual women blouse is designed with a comfort first approach, making it ideal for everyday use. The soft fabric feels gentle on the skin, while the loose fit ensures freedom of movement, perfect for home wear, casual outings, and daily errands. This offers a stylish look without effort. Pair it with flat sneakers for relaxed modern styles. Chic and functional daily wear blouse is a perfect blend of chic style and practical design. This daily wear blouse is made from women who value comfort and versatility. Its neat detailing and flattering shape make it suitable for multiple occasions. From office hours to casual evenings, this blouse transition effortlessly, easy care, fabric, and long-lasting quality, making it a depending addition to your wardrobe. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.